CEO Terra reason about plans to collect cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin with a total of 10 billion US dollar. Terraform Labs founder and Ethereum competitor Terra Do Kwon has outlined plans to raise $10 billion US dollar worth of Bitcoin to augment the project's stablecoin reserve. Terra is a decentralized blockchain platform that specializes in minting stablecoins. Its Terra USD is an algorithmic stablecoin pegged to the value of the United States dollar, with the US dollar value partially maintained through an equivalent amount to its native Terra token. However, specific details are rare at this stage. Kwon noted via Twitter last Monday that Terra would not be selling his original Luna assets to build up its reserves and that more information would be coming soon. Kwon, also with the bull market, stressed that the stablecoin Terra USD, backed by more than $10 billion in Bitcoin reserves, will open a new monetary era of the Bitcoin standard. Peer-to-peer electronic money that is easier to spend and more attractive to hold, he added. Kwon also said to see if the plan has moved or is it just an idea that has not materialized at this stage. The founder simply replied, "I don't understand the difference. We already bought Bitcoin." When a user on Twitter asked Kwon what the Bitcoin reserves would be used for, he replied that the funds would be used to support short-term USD redemptions and for decentralized forex reserves. In a tweet shortly after, Kwon also noted that we stated buying Bitcoin and Twitter verified me. I see you, Jack. In a nod to Jack Dorsey, who is a Bitcoin bull and former CEO of Twitter. This is the second time this month Kwon has outlined plans to fortify the reserves backing stablecoin Terra.